Yes, ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Yes, start. Sir, I beg to move that the bill to provide for the establishment of educational tribunals for effective and expeditious adjudication of disputes involving teachers and other employees of higher educational institutions and other stakeholders, including students, universities, institutions, and statutory regulatory authorities, and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto, as passed by Lok Sabha, be taken into consideration. Para, Mr. Chairman, Sir, in the foreseeable future, we are going to see enormous expansion in the education sector, and the reason for that is quite simple. The reason is that we have very large young population. About 220 million children go to school, but the number of children who reach university is only 12%. This is an unacceptable situation. It is for this reason that the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha passed the Right to Education Act, the intent being that more and more children, particularly the girl child, the differently abled children, actually receive quality education in our schools. There is a need to increase our gross enrollment ratio from 12% to about 30% by 2020. That is the intent as we implement the Right to Education Act with the support of the state governments and other stakeholders. This ratio will increase. With the increase of this ratio, there will be a large number of children going to the university system and a large number of children moving towards vocational education. Therefore, as the regulatory structure evolves, there are going to be a lot of disputes that will emerge. We believe in that context, the time has come for us to move away from the normal court system and set up tribunals at the state level and at the national level to deal with all those disputes. This particular bill sets out the specific jurisdiction under clause 15 for the state tribunals and the jurisdiction of the national tribunals under clause 31. So, the jurisdictions are separate, and we do believe that this particular regime will help a more expeditious and efficient resolution of disputes. Sir, I just want to mention one other fact that this again is an experiment. Maybe the work of the tribunal will expand and we may have to evolve the legislation to meet the needs of tomorrow. The standing committee had recommended that we should have a 5-member tribunal. The standing committee had also recommended that we should have more benches, but what they had suggested was a 3-tier system, a tribunal in every district, a tribunal at the state level, and a tribunal at the national level. We discussed these issues with the state governments. We sent this bill to the education secretaries of all the state governments. We had discussions with them and we called them even to Delhi. In the course of those discussions, they said that it is not appropriate for them to set up tribunals in every district as it is a very expensive proposition. It is very It is with those suggestions in mind that we have decided not to set up tribunals at the district level and to set up tribunals at the state level. Thank you.